Now, going back to the topic, when it comes to the lineup, there are many ways you can line up your client's hairline, but this method is different because of its advanced nature. For example, I'm starting off at the side, meaning I'm starting my add point exactly where the eyebrow start to curve naturally. What I'm basically doing is measuring the eyebrow from where it starts to curve to where it begins, which is in the middle of the forehead as the end point. Guys, this type of technique fits all type of hair shapes with accuracy. Then I start at the other side, matching both sides in the middle. Now you can see how easy the process has become to connect the vertical bar. Lastly, detailing. That way, you will have a solid front-facing outline, symmetrical to work with. I hope you try it out. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on barbering. I will see you in the next one. You can see how crispy and symmetrical everything looks.